Hello, everyone. I'm Matt Clark with your Money Markets Week Ahead. What to watch on Wall Street. Despite a short trading week last week, investors will still likely have stock market volatility on their minds. Wall Street's main indexes bounced back and forth during the holiday shortened trading week last week as investors continue to hold out that hope that an economic recovery will be short. The coronavirus outbreaks have picked up over the last 2 weeks, though, as states have eased lockdown restrictions. But that hasn't stopped investors from holding out hope that the economy will pick up quickly. Last week, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 closed out their best quarter since 1998 after consumer confidence increased more than expected. But despite being down more than 5% for the year, the S&P 500 has rebounded nearly 20% since April. Another thing weighing on investors' minds this week will be renewed tensions between the U.S. and China as Beijing passed a national security law related to Hong Kong last week. Washington has started the process of eliminating Hong Kong's special status in response, which will have to do a lot with trade. Next week will be another week for data for investors to chew on. On Monday, the Institute for Supply Management will release its Purchase Manager Index for non-manufacturing in June. The index is expected to be around 45. That signals a contraction in the market. The Consumer Price Index comes out on Tuesday with expectations being a 1.7% drop year over year and a 0.7% drop from May to June. The status of retail sales will be reported on Wednesday as Wall Street anticipates a 16.8% drop in activity from April to May due to the coronavirus pandemic halting sales across the country. On Thursday, investors will be anticipating the latest unemployment figures. April's monthly unemployment is expected to be above 14%. Earnings will also be in full swing next week as we enter the third quarter of earnings season. It'll be even lighter, however, this week compared to last week, which was shortened due to the 4th of July holiday. Some of the earnings reports coming out next week include Remark Holdings, that's NASDAQ MARK. It will report Monday after the market closes. Levi Strauss & Company on the New York Stock Exchange under LEVI will report Tuesday after the market closes. Simply Good Foods Incorporated, NASDAQ SMPL, will report Wednesday before the market opens. Bed Bath & Beyond, the popular retailer under NASDAQ BBBY, will report Wednesday after the market closes. Walgreens Boots Alliance, the popular drugstore chain, NASDAQ WBA, will report Thursday before the market opens. And on Friday after the market closes, Shaw Communications, New York Stock Exchange, SJR, will report. I'm Matt Clark, and this has been your Money and Markets Week Ahead. What to watch on Wall Street.